All right, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Coach Micheal Burt just got out to the lodge. I want to say good morning to everybody. Turning the lights on, getting the day ready because we got coaching certification here today. And I want to say this, man. Everybody needs a coach in life. Thomas C. Davidson, a good coach can change your life. And one of the things I want to talk about this morning, because I like to bring these morning drives to you, is that there's a difference between talking about doing something and actually doing something. And if you can ever get in your mind that we can have a great strategy, we could have great ideas. People can go, we're going to do this, and we're going to do this, and we're going to do this. But I spend a lot of my time every single day just trying to get people out of that state and into action, okay? And this is what I want to encourage you to do. That's why I say to be a needle mover in a person's life, you don't need to talk about what you're going to do. You need to come in and create action. Now, this is simple nuance that people watch. See, what people are really watching is they're watching your actions. And they're asking themselves, is this a person that talks a lot about ideas, or is this a person that actually comes in and moves the needle? So I want you to remember that word, needle mover. It's an odd little two words, but a needle mover is a person that comes into your life and significantly moves the needle. That needle could be revenue. That needle could be operations. That needle could be growth of the business. That needle could be encouragement. That needle could be raising capital. That needle move could be unlocking creativity. See, what you want to do is, I want to be able to say, look, I hired Tiffany Gerard, and my whole life changed. We added Kim Roseman, Tech, we won an OVC championship. We brought this person in and we made $2 million more. I added this person to the staff and many of my problems went away. See, good morning, Alan Jackson. See, this is a needle mover. So when you're thinking about this concept of getting out of thought and getting into action, this is the way my mind thinks. Nothing happens until somebody moves. Nobody moves until the drive is activated. How do we come into a person's life and significantly move the needle for them? And I just call that a needle mover. So I think it's a very hard thing to do because you got to think about other people, not just yourself. What do other people need? Do they need encouragement? Do they need revenue? Do they need ideas? Most people's got ideas, just so you know. Big time people don't need more ideas. What they need is somebody to come in and execute the ideas because they got a lot going on up here. Okay, so I hope you have a great day. I'm here at our lodge. If you've never been here to the lodge, it's a magical place. I could explain it all day long, Tony Thornhill, but the only way to really get it is by coming. So people come in from all over the country. I'm going to be spending the day with them today, breaking down how to be a certified coach for us. And that means they're going to really master the art and science of coaching. And so I'm really excited. So today, don't be a person that just brings ideas. Be a person that brings action to the equation. Okay? And I promise you, you will be very valuable. You will be a needle mover. Make it a great day.
Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Micheal Burt, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence?
A big part of activating your prey drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place.
People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit.
You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need.
So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it.
Everything is valuable to your future.
What I'm really paying you for is your past.
A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market.
When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated.
They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things.
I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion. You got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency.
They're going to exchange money, energy, they're going to raise capital, they're going to start new businesses, there's going to be joint ventures.
I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate. Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no? When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve, and you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came. And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.